yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short?
Buongiorno, Rose and Gold friends and family. We're in the Playboy International penthouse floor right now. But let's get straight into these hot topics. So first of all, we were in Beverly Hills. We're gonna put the photo or the video right here of just, you know, the rappers doing their swerve. They blocked off the whole entire street. Hello everyone, this is Rose and Gold. We just wanted to say that we saw them getting their Skrilla on, shaking it like their mama gave them, and you know...
Bro, I love it.
She ain't China, but she's black. That's for you. Dr. Ross and I are currently in our limo, getting it on.
Better than them niggas.
That's right.
To do their little rap video, we're gonna put in the video right here. And let's get into our hot topics. So for our first hot topic, Lamar, we heard about your new relationship and we saw them posting the photo with you and Kim and the rest of the whole Kardashian family, and you're just in the background smoked up. And we just want to say, Lamar, we see you, we dig it. Let's get into our next hot topic. Next hot topic, Bella Thorne suffers from a technical malfunction, braless with the shirt lifted. We see what you're trying to do. You're basically trying to be just like Zendaya, how she was in the Disney Channel actors, and then they're trying to grow into adult actors and do certain scandalous things to get their names out there. But Bella Thorne, you've been doing this for a while, really trying to make sure people understand that you're not a Disney actor anymore, and we dig that because our executives and our managers, they have a show coming up for you, and it's going to be Strip 101, Bella Thorne. You might have to get shot, but it's okay. It's okay. These were all of our hot topics. Have a fantastic day.
Who the fuck is this nigga, bro?
And Kylie Jenner, that's for you. Baya Candias. All sevens, just like the dice. I'm gonna go get myself a coat. I'll see you in Venice or Malibu, or maybe in the streets, wherever you're.
We'll catch you on the next song. We'll catch you guys on the next song.
Rose and Gold.